This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking out roaming costs. Turn on airplane mode, then switch Wi-Fi on and confirm cellular data and roaming are off. Next, download offline maps, tickets, and playlists so you won't rely on mobile networks. Make sure your device has storage and battery, remove unused apps, clear cache, and top up charges. Once done, install any travel or local network apps and test Wi-Fi sign-in at home. This prevents surprises when you actually need connectivity. You now focus on reliable local connections. Choose WPA2 or WPA3 Wi-Fi networks and confirm the exact SSID to avoid malicious clones. When connecting in cafes, hotels, or airports, activate a trusted VPN to encrypt traffic. Many offer manual profiles and auto-connect to saved SSIDs. Make sure apps don't sync automatically. Switch email and cloud sync to manual and close background apps that eat. You wrap up by preparing fallbacks. Buy a local SIM or eSIM data bundle for short bursts of mobile access, or use a pocket router with a secure password if sharing among devices. Before moving on, tethering is safe if you control the hotspot. Set a strong password and limit connected devices. If connectivity fails, troubleshoot quickly. Reboot the device, forget and rejoin the network, toggle the VPN, and verify APN or custom DNS settings. One key tip: reboot resolves many connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.